Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're thinking about getting a back wax but have some questions, maybe you're wondering about pain, prep, and what happens after, well, stick around and I'll break it all down for you. Step 1, turn on the wax pot prior to your client coming in. Step 2, before the wax is applied, the skin will be cleansed and the powder could be used to absorb any moisture and help the wax adhere to the skin properly. Hard wax comes in small beads or blocks that are melted down until it's a thick, sticky consistency. The technician will then apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth, ensuring it covers the area evenly. Once the wax cools and hardens, it forms a solid sheet. The technician will then quickly lift the edge and pull it off the opposite direction of the hair growth. Just like traditional waxing, but because it is a hard wax, you don't need strips and it's usually less aggressive on the skin. So what's the big deal with the pain? Hard wax is generally considered a bit gentler than soft wax because it doesn't pull on the skin as much. It only pulls the hair, which means less irritation and redness afterwards. However, no wax is completely pain-free. It definitely does sting a bit, but it's super fast and the results last for weeks. After the hard wax is removed, your esthetician will apply a soothing lotion to calm the skin. Hard wax does tend to be less irritating overall, but it's important to pamper your skin after. You're going to walk away feeling confident, smoother, and overall happier. The results last anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your hair growth cycle. So is it worth it? Well, yeah, it depends. If you want to keep your back smooth and free of hair for an extended period of time, waxing is a great option. It's more long-term than shaving, and you don't have to worry about it every day. Of course, like with any other treatment, there are some aftercare steps to keep in mind. Avoid hot showers, direct sunlight, and tight clothing for 24 hours. If you're prone to ingrown hairs, exfoliate regularly because this will help a lot. Exfoliating with a chemical and a physical exfoliant will help overall. A chemical exfoliant could have lactic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acid. Anything like that will really help keep them at bay. And a physical exfoliant could be like a sugar scrub or a dry brush, and you have to interchange them. So as long as you're exfoliating 2 to 3 to almost 4 times a week, for people that are very prone to ingrown hairs, will completely change their skin overall. So why should you go with hard wax for your back? Well, hard wax is a great choice if you have sensitive skin or if you're looking for a more comfortable waxing experience. It's perfect for areas like the back, shoulders, and even the chest where the hair can be a little bit thicker. Shaving, on the other hand, can lead to subtle ingrown hairs and is a lot more maintenance. Waxing, though, it gives you a fresh, smooth feeling, and over time, it does reduce your hair growth. 2 things to avoid is to don't exfoliate the same day as your waxing appointment because it can cause your skin to become very sensitive and prone to lifting, and we do not want that to happen. And another big do not do is don't shave in between waxing sessions. Shaving cuts the hair off at an angle, which makes it harder for the wax to grab next time, and it just makes it overall very difficult. I am right here tweezing the little hairs left over and getting all the ingrown hairs prior to putting the soothing lotion on and before adding the ingrown hair serum as well. And if you're worried about pain, you could totally use a numbing cream before the wax. Just make sure you're adding it on 30 minutes prior and then rinsing it off because it can make the waxing appointment a little bit difficult. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're considering a back wax or have any other beauty questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you next time. Bye.